My name is Collazo with Epico Solutions Group. Today I'm going to talk to you about the things you need to do to your home for kitchen renovation. I'm going to take the guesswork out of it. For example, if your kitchen needs a refreshing or an update, there's colors such as white, light gray, or even a brownish gray color that you can do. For example, I have a white cabinet here. You can use a gold pull or even a brushed nickel pull. That will bring just a whole new face to your kitchen and give it an elegant and very modern feel. So the second upgrade you need to make is your countertop. That's gonna either make it or break it. So for example, you can either use granite or quartz. A lot of builders are going with quartz these days. My rule of thumb is don't make your neighbors your competition, make new construction your competition. So here is a neutral white color with some movement to it that's gray, a little bit of brown. And so I would definitely recommend go with a light countertop. And so quartz or granite is the way to go. The third change you want to make to your kitchen is your flooring. Some people do ceramic tile. Again, if your competition is new construction, not your neighbor, I definitely recommend LVP on the whole main level and the kitchen. So you can either go with a brown color or a gray color. Either works really well. To go with a more modern, chic feel, this is what you want to do. Your fourth upgrade is going to be stainless steel appliances. You may have black, you may have white, but guess what? It's a psychological thing. Buyers like to see new, fresh, and modern. Stainless steel is the way to go. The fifth is paint. There's two colors that I highly recommend that are neutral, very vibrant, just keeps everything looking good, are Agreeable Gray and City Loft, and they're by Sherwin-Williams. And then you want to consider your lighting. Again, do recessed lighting or even brushed nickel lighting in your kitchen. And you may have, if you have a kitchen island, you may have some pendants. Again, do brushed nickel. Now, if you did gold pulls with your cabinets, then you're going to do a gold faucet fixture as well as gold pendants. And the last thing, which I just kind of mentioned, but faucet fixtures, just keep it simple with brushed nickel. But if you do have gold going on, make that faucet fixture gold as well. So my hope is that this video has been very helpful for you and took the mystery out of what to do. If you've been thinking about selling your home and you're like, you know what, I don't even bother with this, I'd rather have Tina and her team help me, give us a call at 202-255-9373.